Hi guys, today we are going to discuss one of the commonly asked interview questions for freshers and experience. This topic is about how to avoid serialization of a child class. Before going to digging out the code and the concept what we are going to talk, let's talk about what serialization is about. Serialization is nothing but you can convert your object into an binary format, and you can actually transfer that once you store that into any of this file, you can place it anywhere and you can store it, and whenever you require it, you can create that object from that particular serialized object via deserialization. So uh, I have let's start with today's topic. If you see here, I have two classes over here. One is the parent class, and the other is a child class. Okay, so let's have a look about the parent class. So if you see here, I have an interface which has been implemented. So this is this serializable interface. If you look, if you want to serialize any of these objects, it's an mandatory thing that you have to implement this particular interface. Implement this interface. I'm so sorry, and you have to provide the attributes, and you have to do the serialization. So here, as we are this particular topic is about not allowing to serialize the child class. So I will be extending this particular class and creating a new child class. So if you have read about this particular concept in serialization, where if you are extending a parent class which is already serialized, automatically this particular class gets serialized. So interviewer may ask you, like, in order to stop this child class from being serialized, what is the mechanism? So here I'm going to show that. If you see here, I have provided few fields over here. Same, if you see, I will be having few attributes over the name and address in the parent class. And if one more thing if you want to highlight over here is there is a serializable UID. So if you this is the one thing when you get when you are trying to serialize an object. It's an this is the manual way I have written. So normally, if you are not providing this particular UID, this will be created automatically by the JVM. And if you see in the child class, I have these attributes. The other thing what is important in order to stop this particular serialization process to happen, you can see here that I have overridden these two particular methods. This is one is the write object, and if you see, this is another is the read object. So if you see this particular, if you override this particular methods, and inside it I have written this, it will be throwing this particular not serialized object. If you see here, this is the when we are trying to create an serialization process, we will be using this particular class for serializing the process. Like when you try to create it, there is a method called write object when we pass that particular serialized object. So in order to exclude the child, we throw this error. So how? Let's have a look at the example where it will be throwing an error and it will be stopping it. So I have written a test class over here. So if you see here, I have a main method. So this is the child class. I have initialized it, and if you see, I create an object, and if you see here, I have added some values to that particular attributes over here. These two particular one of the two attributes are from the child, and the other two attributes are from the child. Parent. So if you see, I am trying to serialize it with the normal serialization process, where I created first the file output stream object with this is the file which is going to be created if it is getting serialized. The normal convention, the .ser is used for that creating serialized object. Based on that particular file output stream object, we'll be passing that to the output stream. And as I told you that I have overridden this particular method in the child. So if you see here, it will be calling that particular child method. So I'm calling that particular method over here. I'm serializing that particular object, this one, and I'm closing it, the output stream and the file output stream, and I will end up the application here. So let's see what output it gives. I will rerun it, the application. So if you see here, it is throwing an error that it is not allowing to serialize it. See here. So